Ayan, hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. It is 10 p.m. Manila time, August 7, Saturday. Welcome to Coach MirandaMiner's daily crypto news, fundamentals, technical charting, trader quotient in 45 minutes. Today is Saturday, a very special day, and because today is our Crypto Night Live Saturday. No? So we don't have a guest today, but we have a lot of topic to discuss. So please tune in and sit back and relax. I have so many topics for you today that can help you to become a very profitable trader. No? So magandang gabi sa'yo. And sana, if you're actually new to my channel, please click on subscribe. And welcome sa mga bagong attendees sa ating Crypto Night Live. No? Magandang gabi sa'yo and I hope you're doing well today. Kung ikaw ay nag-profit, pakitype down below ang iyong profit. No? So congratulations. Ang pinakamalaking profit na nabasa ko so far, hindi ko gaano mabasa yung pangalan mo, Kim's Kanan Esneana. $230 win by watching YouTube pa lang po. Sana maka-enroll na ako sa inyo, Coach. You really changed my life. I mean, our lives. Wow, sarap. Maraming salamat po sa iyong napakabuting kind words. No? Thank you so much. At thank you very much sa inyong kind words. Guys, $230 is something, ha? $230 is really big. Grabe, congratulations. Meron pa ako nabasa kanina. Nanalo siya ng 4 USDT. Very good. Alright. Yung isa nanalo ng... Nag-profit, nag-profit. Alright. Merong isa na 100 plus USDT. No? So, congratulations din sa'yo. Very, very good. Ayan. Let's see. Congratulations. Yan. Hello. Alright, before we officially start, I'd like to greet yung kakatapos ko lang ng mga na-class. No? Congratulations sa ating intermediate weekend class batch number 8. Mabuhay kayo at congratulations sa lahat, no? Sa ating Team Bullcrack, Team Bull Ranger, Team Bayani at Team Global Traders na nanalo sa napakagandang Kahoot kanina quiz game. No? Congratulations to the team of JR and Nea. Congratulations sa inyo at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng batch kanina. Napakagagaling na mga estudyante. No? So congratulations. Yan sila Sweet. Yan, si Swatat. No? Part yan ng ating klase kanina. So congratulations sila Alan, sila JR. Ang dami. So very, very good. And bukas, looking forward to meet our beginner students. No? Our beginner students in our MirandaMiner Elite University. Before we officially start, I would just like to read, no, this particular testimony that we received yesterday. No? Sabi dito, thank you so much, Coach. Sobra pa sa sulit ang bayad. Alam po namin na kulang pa yon sa lahat ng knowledge na na-impart mo sa amin. Sobrang thank you po. Babayaran po namin ng magandang resulta ang turo ninyo. Blessings ka po sa aming lahat. Coach! Grabe naman po ito. Sobrang thank you, Coach, sa mga trainings mo. Kung hindi lang dahil sa tinuturo nyo, siguro sunog na ako ngayon. Konti pa lang po to, Coach, pero alam ko, dito magsisimula ang lahat ng matinding blessings. Ang saya ko, Coach, grabe. Maliit lang po, pero feeling ko, nanalo ako sa lotto, Coach. Pagbubutihin ko pa po, Coach, ang pagpaplan ng trade. Practice lang po muna gamit ang turo nyo po. Sobrang laking blessing sa amin ng videos nyo, Coach. Talagang panalo ang system nyo. So maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa mga testimonies na to na hindi ko naman po inihingi but you guys are sharing to me. So super. Thank you very much for your love and support for our system. And I know all of you, no, will become very, very profitable. So by the way, our Crypto Night Live topic for today is about BTC breakout. Obviously, nag-breakout sa $42,300. So what is the key level area to watch out for? What is the resistance area to watch out for? What are the things na kailangan mong malaman bilang isang trader para dire-diretso na ang iyong panalo, no? At sa mga naipit dyan today dahil hindi nyo pinalano ang inyong trade, you guys need to hear this, no? On our very, very special Saturday Night Live. And of course, do not forget our guest for next week is none other than, we have actually a Crypto Night Live. We have a Crypto Night Live an exclusive interview, no, with Chi Liu. He's actually the CEO of Overbit. Our topic is going to be the 2021 crypto landscape in the midst of the pandemic. August 14, 10 p.m. Singapore time and Manila time as well. So looking forward to meet all of you there. Maganda po ang aming topic na I've run through all the questions and answers, guys. Sobrang matututo kayo. If you guys wanted to hear directly from the CEO of this company, please join me and get to hear, ang kanyang mga perspective about crypto landscape in the midst of the pandemic. All right, and of course, I would also like to mention before we officially start na tayo po ay nakapag-credit na, no? Ang ating bonuses are also out. Actually, yesterday is the last day and we're supposed to be crediting today the last hurrah of the bonuses. So congratulations, guys. Thank you so much to Bingbon. If you have not downloaded Bingbon, kasi sa Bingbon merong mga free, no, yung mga free virtual trading that you can actually use. If you're not yet ready to trade, you can actually use this, no, as a virtual trading platform. And who knows, guys? Who knows? You might be able to copy my trades because they have a copy trade platform in Bingbon. All right. And of course, ang ating one-on-one ay malapit na pong lumabas. Ang ating one-on-one mentoring very, very soon. Watch out for this. No, we're actually finalizing the curriculum. We're going to certify our mentors and looking forward for the mentors to be able to introduce themselves out. Siguro one of the technical charting Thursdays, we will introduce all of our mentors and for you guys to get to see kung gaano kagagwapo at kagagandang babae itong mga trader, mga mentors natin. So looking forward for all of them to be introduced. No? And another B is coming out. Another B is coming out very, very soon. Antayin nyo yan. Another partnership with the growing MirandaMiner family. Woohoo! Very, 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 very good. Congratulations. And of course, napakasaya ko because ang ating mga moderators, we will have our very first Unity in Diversity, Strength in Numbers. Our very first Global MirandaMiner Moderators Virtual Team Building. We will have our team building. We're going to be talking about trading and understanding your blind spots. No, maganda yung topic yan. Uunahin ko muna ang ating mga mahal na moderators and then we will open this sa lahat ng alumni. We will open this to all of our alumni. Understanding your trading blind spots. No? This is a very, 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 very expensive and special course that I'm going to offer in the future to all of the alumni for free. I'm going to offer this for free. So if you're an alumni of Global MirandaMiner, please join our, if you're not yet an alumni, please join our classes. No? We're going to do our understanding our trading blind spots. We're going to be doing this with the moderators first because alam nyo ba na kahit sobrang galing mo, you always have your blind spot. It's because of your innate personality. It's because of your personality as a trader. Hindi dahil sa hindi ka marunong magbasa ng trades, no? But within us, no, scientifically, we will be doing a personality assessment test. You will be able to know kung ano ba talaga yung personality mo. And I'm going to offer this to all of the alumni for free. All of this is going to be given to all of you guys. So just wait for this, and I'm looking forward to get to meet all of our moderators. And congratulations to you all in advance. And of course, maraming salamat din. We would need to welcome our newest moderator, Kim Jacinto is actually, I don't know if Kimoy is here, but welcome to you as our newest moderator. Congratulations to you. Of course, si Shell from Austria, Vienna is also our moderator. Mga kabatchmates niya, no? So welcome to all of you guys. Si Ferdy, si Ruan, yung mga batchmates na pinakabago. So welcome sa inyo, and I hope to continue to work with you guys very, very in many, many more years and months to come. All right? Okay, so why don't we start with our topic for today? It's about Crypto Night Live BTC Breakout. What do you need to do? What do you need to do? So for us to start, let's quickly go on with our price. No, guys, grabe. Bitcoin currently broke out so many resistances. No, Bitcoin is currently at $43,366. Kaway-kaway sa mga nanalo at nag-profit. Congratulations. Type number 1 if you profited kahit $1 lang. Type number 1 if you profited for today. Congratulations to you. Within the 24 hours, it's currently sitting at 6.10% on a 24, 5.06 positive on a 7. Ethereum currently as a 30. Woo, grabe. 30, 80.80, currently at 11.06 positive on a 24, 26.24 on a 7. No? Ether currently is at 62 billion market circulation supply. Binance Coin is currently at $351, currently at 4.43 positive on a 24, 7.37 positive on a 7 days. Cardano, ang dami nag-profit, ang dami nag-type ng number 1, napakagagaling nyo. Pero wait lang, I need to tell you what are the areas you need to watch out, okay? Para hindi kayo maipit or maiwan. All right, so Cardano is currently at $1.45 a piece, currently at 5.46 on a 24 and 11.69 on a 7 days. No, XRP is still also bullish, currently at 0.77 cents a piece, currently at 6.42 on a 24, 4.57 positive on a 7. Actually, all the top 10 coins are green. Grabe, all bullish, no? All bullish. Dogecoin currently at 22 cents a piece, currently at 12.94 positive on a 24 days and 24 hours and 9.97, currently at 10.23 on a 7 days trend. USDC coin currently is at 27.6 billion circulation supply. Polkadot currently at number 9, ranked number 9, 20.72. Currently at 5.19% bullish on a 24 hours and 27.75 bullish on a 7 days. Grabe. Uniswap currently at number 10 at $28.16 a piece, 12.22% 24 hours positive, and 34.06% for the past 7 days positive. Sobrang bullish, no? Alright, obviously there's a BTC dominance, but guys, hear this out, no? Hear me out. The total crypto market capitalization is at 1.79 trillion. Grabe. The market capitalization is 1.79 and the total traded volume over the past 24 hours is 119 billion, which makes it a 20.65% increase from the previous day. The total volume of DeFi is already at 12.48 bill, at 10.47 of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoin is currently at $94.23 billion, which is 79.04 of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin price is currently at 43,400, but yesterday it's currently at 45,999. No? And Bitcoin dominance currently is at 45. And by the way, our GUI, our Ethereum gas for the day, is currently at 36. 36 GUI. Ang fast transaction for the very fast transaction is currently at 41 GUI. And the slow transaction is currently at 35 GUI. No, mataas pa to, no? Because on a regular market, minsan naka 9 GUI lang yan, no? It's very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. So, let me quickly check on the Ethereum. Just give me a second, guys. Let's go with the Ethereum burn tracker. The total Ethereum burn tracker so far na nababurn na po is a total of Alright, let's watch out for this. The total Ethereum burn. Let me just check. It's currently already at, 99,560.2 Ethereum or GUI. It's actually currently on a 3.2 Ethereum burn rate per minute, no, on a 24 hours run rate. And the base fee is currently at 38.7 GUI. All right, that is medyo mataas yan, pero let me give you some insights on an apples-to-apples comparison. There's an apples-to-apples comparison of the gas fee. Marami po nagsasabi, because this is true naman, no? Medyo mataas ang gas fee sa mga NFTs today. And sabi, kaya nga po na sinabi natin, if you're actually starting, the EIPs, medyo mahal yan sa simula, but it would normalize. In fact, when we started a total of 192 GUI ang gas price. But ngayon, currently, nag-normalize na, no? So if we let's look into the past 5 days chart so far. Ayan, so guys, nag-peak on a $64 Ethereum average gas price, currently down at 54.10. All right, in the past 1 month, currently, it's actually still an all-time high for the, well, it's actually retracing already from an all-time high of 64.5. In a 1 month trajectory, it's currently sitting at 54.10. In a 3 month period, medyo, it's actually forming a lower high already, no? And obviously, there's also a peak sometime on May and May, no? There's also a peak on our gas fees. Dito nagsi-celebrate yung mga minero because napakataas ng gas fee during this time, no? So, but of course, nakakatulong sa mga miners ito. But of course, you need to understand, kapag ikaw ay isang trader, some part of your gas fees are being burnt, no? Hindi mabiburn yung mga tokens mo dyan o yung mga Ethereum mo sa iyong wallet, but only if you transact, then the part of that transaction, it becomes burnt, no? Nabiburn yung mga yan. GUI is a measurement of your gas fee. Okay, GUI is it's a unit of measurement. It's a smaller unit of your Ethereum. Parang Satoshis, parang Bitcoin, di ba? But you have a smaller unit of Ethereum, which is called GUI, no? It's like a centavo on a peso. It's a centavo of a peso. But it's actually a measurement, no? It's a measurement of your gas fee. Ayan. So medyo, it's actually forming a lower highs, no? In this particular instance. And may mga mas matataas pa rin sa kanya. Alright. So, another news, nag-resign ang Binance US CEO citing strategic differences. Mukhang ayaw yata niya sa Chinese niyang boss. No? Sabi dito, he actually announced on Twitter Friday that he has resigned as a Binance.US CEO after just 4 months on the job. Brooks confirmed in an email to CoinDesk that his account was not hacked. In the tweet, Brooks cited differences over strategic direction between him and his colleagues. Before joining the U.S. arm of the Binance Global Crypto Exchange, Brooks helmed of the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, the regulator for national banks under the U.S. President Donald Trump. So galing pala tong OCC, no? Interesting. All right. So, another news. Okay. Bitcoin rallies above 42,000 as the bull market continues. Some analysts are optimistic about the broad crypto rally and see further upside, especially for Ether. Wow. Bitcoin rallied $43,000 on Friday as short positions continue to unwind from the second quarter sell-off. The world's largest cryptocurrency by market value is up to 1% over the past week, compared to the 17% gain in Ether over the same period. Some analysts are optimistic about the broad crypto rally and see further upside, especially for Ether. On Thursday, Ether rallied past $2,600 as the latest hard fork upgrade, which was dubbed London, officially activated on the Ethereum blockchain network. No? Very, very good. Napakagaling. And based on this news, obviously, they're actually quite bullish as well on the potential trend, no? Yes, it's actually $42,000 plus upon this writing, and currently Bitcoin is currently sitting naka 43,457 na tayo, but some of the analysts are still very optimistic, especially for Ethereum. They're very, very optimistic, especially for Ethereum. All right, why don't we do this? No, all right, why don't we all check this all out? Okay, let's go now with Bitcoin. Congratulations again. Marami pong nag-type ng number 1. Congratulations. Ang dami niyong kumita today. Naku, wag mag-overtrade. Naku, paalala pa lang ni Coach Chan, tahapon po tayo po ay nag-remind ng do not overtrade. No? Do not overtrade. Rule number 1, create your rule book. Rule number 2, do not be myopic. No? Rule number 3, look at the previous, the current, and the present. Number 4, wait for your bus to arrive. Wait for your right bus to arrive. Because everything is doable if you're able to zoom out. Look at the strawberry farm as a farm, not as a plot, not as a piece of soil. No? So, congratulations. Please do not overtrade and please save that profit for your bread and butter trades. Okay? Alright, so let us all do this. Let's all now go to our charting, which we're all waiting for. Tanggalin ko muna si volume. Actually, from a volume perspective, okay din siya, no? Because after ng huge volume on July 27, tumuloy-tuloy, pataas. But let us try to look into the trend of our Bitcoin for today. Okay, let's try to look for our retracements. And obviously, you need to look for your 48314. You need to put it down here as well. And we need to get our fibs. It can potentially retrace at a 36,900 if and when this will retrace. And then let's try to go on 41,288. Sa point, bumasag na dyan. Let me just try to put 41,288. Okay. Let's try to arrange this. This is 41,288. 0.49. Okay. So basically, there's already a breakout, but on a one-day trend, it's still a prison candle. No, it's still a prison candle. And let me try to make sure I have the right figures. Just give me a second. 36,000. Okay. All right. So based on this, we can now go on a lower time frame. Let's go now to our other indicators. Let's go for let's go for a lower time frame to 1 hour first. At maglagay po tayo ng other indicators such as MACD. By the way, ang BB50 nito is actually already bullish, no? And then let's go for RSIs. Okay, RSI is still RSI. Just give me a second. Let me just make this as 30. Okay, and then let's try to make this red line as your 50. Alright. So medyo nag-ano pala to, no? Nag-parabolic pala to, no? Nag-parabolic on a 73.74. It's trying to fight. It's trying to fight. Just give me a second. Okay. We're good. We're good. Okay. Okay. So ingat lang. Pero alam ko tataas pa to. This, ang bias ko dito, this can further go higher unless meron tong major news na may lalabas na major news. Pero mukhang lalabanan nito tong potential na bearish divergent sign dito, no? So tingnan natin. Medyo ano pa yan, medyo maaga pa to, no? So baka tumaas pa ang konti tapos doon magkakaroon ng divergence because MACD is obviously pointing downwards but the candle is still forming a higher high, no? But since nag-break out na din dito sa resistance na to, the 42,000, no? Nabasag niya na yan. Wala nang kwenta tong mga resistance dito, no? Na-break out na lahat yan. So this is where we need to look at na. Otherwise, we go to the previous historical high na 60,000 and 50,000 during the month of April. Kasi yung pinakamababa, yung pinaka-retracement nito, guys, natandaan ninyo, kung natandaan ninyo, yung pinakamababang retracement nito was way back just give me a second. Was way back. Tapin ko lang mag-read mag-read. Sige, antayin natin to mag-read muna. Okay, yung previous retracement kasi nito was way back May 19. Tapos yung previous yung kanyang correction nagkaroon siya ng immediate correction was way back May 20 at around 42,000. Lakihan natin to, no? At around 42,300 pa yung previous resistance nito. Way back May 20. Pero bumabasag na to ng resistances already at 44,472. No? 44,472. So, ang gagamitin nating resistance dito, hindi na itong previous area na to, no? Kasi may nabasag na siya dyan. So we're going to use now the 48,393 as a next resistance level. Okay? And then the potential retracement area could be your previous resistance, no? Your previous resistance can always be your new support. Ang iyong previous na resistance ay magiging support mo lang. No? Magiging support mo lang yan. Ayan, no? So this one is gonna be a bounce area because this is your 618. This is a 618 bounce area, true enough nag-bounce. At kung ito man ay magre-retrace ulit, no? Sasaluhin naman yan ng 36,870 or sasaluhin ng 41,288 or sasaluhin din ng anong price pa to? Wait lang. Sasaluhin din to ng 42,639. So yung support number 1 natin, 42,639. Your support number 2 is your 41,300 plus. Your support number 3 is your 0.618 or the 30s, actually yung 0.618 na that's supposed to be 37,100. I-align ko lang mamaya yung fibs nan. No? Around that area yung kanyang support number 3. No? So, kung ito man ay magre-retrace, this is a key level support area. No, medyo marami itong gigibaing sahig para tumuloy-tuloy pababa. And it looks like it's going to be a bit bullish, no? Siyempre may mga contrarian na kontra dyan, no? But that's perfectly fine, no? So I think from a Fibonacci perspective alone, from this perspective alone, teka lang, let me just try to adjust. From this perspective alone, you have 3 major key level areas or key support areas. Okay? Write this down, ha? Your key level support areas as bounce when the trend retraces. Okay? So you write that down. Let me just try to control the font. Okay? Write it down, ha? Okay. Tapos, kung ito naman ay babasag pataas, what you need to do is dapat ito, let me try to go on a 1-hour candles. By the way, guys, pag ang top 10 sumasabog, all of the other 11 to 20 coins can be actually already bullish, ha? You need to remember because marami pa rin nakakopol kay Ethereum, no? Marami pa po ang mga Ethereum traders they're coupling their NFTs to Ethereum, ha? You need to remember that. They still don't know the fiat currency or stable currency. Marami pa rin hindi alam yun, no? Okay, let's now go to MACD. And let's now go to RSI. Okay, your MACD is on a downward trend, no? Of course, guys, tatandaan nyo to, ha? You need to remember this, no? Please, i-write this down. Kapag nag-all-time high ang isang trend, no? Maghahanap yan, kailangan niya mag-retrace kasi kailangan niya i-correct yung RSI niya. Kailangan niyang i-normalize, no? That's what you call price correction. Kailangan mag-correct yung price, no? Para si momentum mo, si your RSI magno-normalize kasi nakapaano na siya, parabolic na siya, no? So normally it needs to correct itself and if it's actually doing that, that's perfectly normal. Kailangan niya talagang bumaba ng konti kasi kung dumidire-diretso pataasin ng walang retracement, pwede ring mangyari yun, no? Pero pag bumaba naman yung talagang steep, sobrang baba, no? So in this particular case, aside from the major breakout here, nagkaroon ng trend intensity breakout, consolidation, fib resistance breakout where the magic happens, nagkaroon ng mahabang pullback. Yung pullback niya nag-bounce, no? Nag-bounce on the previous resistance area tapos bumuo ng panibagong trend pataas, no? After the consolidation, nagkaroon ng breakout of the trend and true enough tumataas na siya, no? Whatever I discussed kanina, yung pinagsabi ko ng trend resistance breakout, all of those are part of the anatomy which I covered during the intermediate class, no? So hindi ko muna di-discuss yun, but for now, yung tatlong sinabi ko, that's gonna be your three key level areas for potential bounce, no? Ngayon, pag binasag niya na si 37,300 pababa or your 36,900, pag pumupunta na yan dyan, it can further go down na. Do I see it going down? I don't think so. Because normally, pag may mga breakout na ganito, it doesn't always go down that quick. No? It doesn't go down that quick. Kasi otherwise, I think people are going to be entering key positions pa before pa mag-take profit siya mga yun. No? Masyadong malayo pa. No? So I think what's gonna be happening is kailangan bumuo pa ito ng further higher highs. No? Magbabounce on this area, tataas pa yan. Magkukonting retracement, baka tumaas pa. No? Konting retracement here and baka tumaas pa. Okay? So let me just quickly go on the 1 day again. I-remind ko lang kayo ng mga discussions natin, ha? I-remind ko lang kayo ng mga discussions natin in the past couple of days para nare-refresh din kayo na, okay, yun pala hindi discuss ni Coach noon. Yun pala hindi discuss niya dati na it makes sense pala, no? It makes perfect sense. So let me just open that right now. Let's open our favorite Wyckoff. Let's open our favorite Wyckoff, guys, no? Just give me a second. You remember Wyckoff, this is the formation. This is the formation, guys. Look very, very closely, no? Look very closely on the comparison. All right. So, sabi natin dito, this was the 28,000, 29,000 lower lows. Tumaas ng konti, nagkaroon ng retesting, tumaas ng konti retesting, tumaas, nag-retrace, tumaas na naman. Itong part na to guys is already beating this resistance area, ha. Tapos it is expected to retrace. It is expected to retrace. Now, if you look here, let me try to delete this muna. Yan. Okay, if you try to look here, obviously you have your previous lows. This is actually already 1 day. You have your Heikin Ashis here. That's good. June 22. Okay. So if you look at this particular, let me just try to open that. This one, no? So after yung bumaba, okay? You have your lower low here, but you have even your lower low here. You have your lower low here. Okay? But you even have your lower low here. Okay? And then sabi natin, ito ay bubuo ng another low, higher low here, no? You have this one. And then it should actually form a trend going upwards that should actually break out the resistance. So ito na po yan. Potentially, no? At magre-retrace ulit from here. It would retrace here. It will consolidate. It will create a bullish pennant flag. It will actually go even higher. So pwedeng ang mangyari dito, magkaroon ng consolidation, and then you can potentially have your, again, this is a hypothesis, ha? Can even go higher like that. No? So that is one of the, let me try to do a 4-hour candle. Ayan. So if you're actually trading this one, so ito yan, no? Ito mataas na siya, no? Here. Let me try to do a side-by-side window. Ayan. Look at this one and look at this one. No? Look at this one, the previous ST in phase B. This is the spring area, no? And this is your phase D. No? This can be your phase D, and we're just waiting for the phase E. We're waiting for the phase E. Okay, now, can this be 100% accurate? Not necessarily. No? This can be potentially a guide. This can be a potential guide, no? Because may binasag na siyang resistance lines dito, na binasag din niya dito, Let me just do that right now. In your resistance lines, na binasag niya, and potentially, this can consolidate. Okay? Here. So we're now in this particular area. This can even go even higher. And magko-consolidate. And what can happen, this one, no? Nakita mo to? Parang this one na siya. If you guys are noticing it. No? So this can be a potential mirror, but again, the caveat is let's wait for a big news. No? Marami na pong contrarian ngayon ng market. Marami na yung mga naiiwan, natatalo, naninira ng market, nagkakaroon na raw ng mga issues. Maraming ganyan lalabas ngayon. Tabayanan mo yan. Okay, so based on the Wyckoff event, we're currently on the accumulation phase. To be honest with you, may mga technicians ngayon that they believe we are still on a distribution phase. We're actually on the reverse. No? We have yet to see an even lower performance. But a lot in the market already is predicting, like yung news na nabasa nyo kanina, are predicting na it's gonna be bullish already. It's going to be bullish already. No? So, may similarities, no? Here. But it's up for us to be able to see if this will continue. Because if this continues, ito yung mga major errors na sinulat ko kanina. No? Ano yung mga major errors na sinulat ni Coach kanina? You need to be able to remember that. No? Ano yung mga major areas na kailangan nating isipin? Obviously, you have your 41K level, you have 42K level, you have your 37K level, and you have your 1K level, yung potential bounce area or retracement areas niyan. No? On a 1 day, it's still a very bullish candle. No? On a 1 day, it's still a very bullish candle. So don't get freaked out. If you see on the intraday that it's actually retracing, don't freak out. No? Again, sabi ko sa inyo, do not look at the intraday. Look at the forest. Look at the major trend. Look at the patterns. You know, you zoom out. Okay, you zoom out of the market and see. Pwede rin gamitin itong kabila yan. We could also use that as well. No? And of course, sabi ko nga kanina, actually I discussed this as well in the intermediate class kanina, no? Yung potential retracement. Sabi namin we will all wait. Sabi namin kanina at around, we dismiss it around alas 8. Andito pa lang yung candle na yun, we will all wait, sabi namin, before we even enter. No? Before we even enter. So we wait for that. No? We'll go back to our MACD. Go back to our RSIs. MACD is still forming a downward. Is it good way to enter? Not yet. Wait for it, no? Wait for it. Sabi natin, it can potentially retrace o magbabounce, no? It can potentially bounce off. No? Just give me a second. One more thing that I need to check. Just give me a second here. Okay? Yun. Okay, you have your support line dito. Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay. Okay. So again, sabi ko nga no, mag-aantay tayo, wait for MACD to confirm and then make sure your RSI is RSI 30. Tapos tingin ko tataas pa to no. It can potentially go up. But since nag-breakout na siya dito, nag-breakdown na no, it can potentially test this resistance area. It can test that. Tapos meron ka pang support area dito. Teka lang ha, let me do one more time here. Ayan. So pag pag bumaba to, babasag siya sa part na yan, bumaba pa ulit, kailangan niyang basagin to. Marami siyang support area, no? And of course, kailangan niya ring basagin to. This one. No? And of course, if it's already retracing, try to do, if it's actually retracing, try to do your fibs, no? Try to do your fibs from here. So this is actually a long upward trend, no? A long upward trend. But if you want to get to see this particular upward trend, ito ay gagawa na ng small retracement here hanggang saan to bababa. You need to do now an upward fib from here, like that. And then you will notice that bubuo din niya ng resistance dito, which is basically the same na sinabi natin kanina. Ito yung kanyang previous resistance na magiging support. 40,000 is going to be your potential support area. Tapos your 42,000 plus is gonna be a support area. Marami pa siyang babasagin guys, huwag kayong mag-alala. No, a lot of support pwede niyang basagin before it even goes even lower. So my forecast and prediction is, if this does not retrace, no, I'll repeat, sulat mo yan. If this does not retrace going down your three major or key level support areas, pag yun hindi niya nabasag, it can just go down a little bit to correct the price. Magkakaroon ng market price correction, mag-a-align, tatama na yung RSI mo. Mag-a-align na yan because the price is actually trying to correct. No? It's trying to correct. Sabihin, nagko-correct na yung price, nagma-market correction. No? Tapos bubuo na ng tamang RSI, hindi na siya overbought. No? Kukuha ulit ng buwelo. Parang ganito, no? Parang ganito, no? So, we thought it's actually going down from here because nauntog dito sa resistance area na to. But nakita mo, tumaas lang ulit siya. Kumuha ng lalim, tapos tumaas ulit. Kumuha ng lalim, tumaas pa lalo. But look at what RSI is doing. RSI is just correcting itself. No, it needs to correct itself, otherwise baka lumagpas to ng 90 agad, no? So kailangan siyang, I call that kumukuha ng lakas yan, kumukuha ng momentum. No? All right, so yun natandaan mo ha, 42,605 guys. Alam nyo, to be honest with you, and I'm actually happy naman, no? Masaya ako na nakakatulong tayo. In the past couple of days na nagfo-forecast tayo kasi ng Bitcoin, I think we are fairly accurate, no? Sinasabi natin yung mga potential bounce points, nagba-bounce po siya dun. No, sinasabi naman po natin yan na ito ay magba-bounce and true enough, nagba-bounce po siya on that particular area. Sabi ko po, ano po ba yung sabi ko last time? What did I say last time? Is this particular bounce, we forecasted this. This is actually part of your 618s. If you remember. Sabi natin magba-bounce yan dyan. If you remember correctly. And true enough, nag-bounce lang po yan sa $38,000. So, how do we know that? We don't know the market. I mean, we're just doing our TA correctly. No? So, we're just doing our TA correctly. And by doing your TAs correctly, pwede ka makapagbigay ng potential retracement area. Potential retracement area. No? Around 37 ang sabi natin. Diba? So, ganito pa lang yan, no? It actually is looking like this. Oh, tumuloy-tuloy tayo. Nag-bounce na naman dun, guys. Nag-bounce na naman dun. No? And here, nag-bounce na naman. July 27, we also mentioned this. No? Yung mga retracements na yan, common yan because it's the 618s. Diba? Common yan. So, how do we know this? No, that's why sabi ko, magbabounce yan dyan sa area na yan and potentially tataas. Ayan, nangyari na. No? So ako, I'm just going to give you potential bounce points based on your 618s. Now, itong trend na tong pataas, pag ito bumasag na ng area na to, around 40,000 dyan, yung resistance. Ang next na niyan is 37. Pinakamalalim na. Malalim na yan. Pero before pa niya ma-reach yan, may 40, tapos mayroon pang 42, may 41 pa. Tatandaan mo yan, sulat mo yan. Make sure, you need to write that down. Okay, so type 1 nga, kung medyo may natutunan today, guys. Type 1, kung may konting natutunan sa BTC. That's our topic for today, ha? What do you do? My topic for today is Crypto Night Live BTC Breakout. What do you do? What are the key level areas that you need to understand para hindi ka naiipit sa taas at alam mo hindi ka kinakabahan? Kasi may potential retracement naman talaga. No? May potential retracement. Pero will it further go down? Tanong natin let's ask, no? Let's try to ask the retracements. Now, let's go to Ethereum. Okay. We'll do the same drill. Guys. One day. Okay, alam na. No? Alam na to. Teka lang, give me a second. Okay. So, okay, from a day perspective, MACD is still bullish. RSI 30 is almost parabolic. It's currently at 65, no? It's currently at 65, so magandang indication yan. It looks like it looks like Ethereum can further go even higher. Tandaan mo, sinabi ko na yan. Sinabi ko na ang Bitcoin can go higher based on the Ethereum London fork. August 4. Congratulations sa'yo kung ito ay pinakinggan mo. No, of course, sinabi ko din yung mga caveat areas. No? Sinabi ko din yung mga potential retracements areas. No? Pero we keep on saying that the trend is actually really bullish. It's really bullish. If you look back with the RSI is going to be parabolic. Ibig sabihin, magma-market panic buying na. So, antayin natin yan. Tapos si MACD, bullish na din. Very good ang performance niyan. So, ang gagawin mo dito ganito, no? So, actually, meron ka na nabuong trend, no? Meron ka na nabuong trend, yan. Meron ka ng strong support dito. Meron ka ng very strong support on that particular trend. Tandaan mo, ha? And may mga nag-message sa akin kanina, Coach, kumita po kami sa EMA9 and high kinashi lang. Congratulations. Simplicity is key daw. Very good. I think si Nanto yata yung nagsabi na yun. But, may mga nagsabi sa akin, kumita raw sila sa EMA9 eh. Congratulations sa'yo, ha? Okay? So, anyways, this is a very, very good potential trend, no? A very, very good potential trend. Tinuro ko na to many, many times. Tapos, ang gawin na lang siguro natin dito is we wait for a potential retracement. And since, no, pag nakakita ka na ng retracement, ang gagawin mo, kunyari, it's retracing already, no? It's actually retracing already. So, ang gagawin mo dito ganito. For example lang, kunyari, 2 days from now, mag-retrace. For example lang naman, no? Let's say it actually retrace going down here. So, what do you do now is you create a fib from here, ha? You do this fib, ha? And see that your 618 will hold. But since it's not retracing yet, so what we need to do is we need to do an extension. We need to do an extension from here. No? We need to do an extension from here. Get this one. And get this one. Ayan. Bumasag na ng 618. Bumasag na. Basag na. Ayan, basag na. And this one is the one. Okay. Naka 1 day candle tayo. So let's try to go to a 1 hour. Kasi sabi ko nga, this is still a prison candle ha. So antayin natin to. Let's try to do a 1 hour. Ayun, bumasag na. Bumasag na ng 618. So, full disclosure, halos, I think I earned, ang dami ko na-earn today. So, congratulations, no? I earned already in this particular trade. Nag-hold lang tayo ng Ethereum. We had Ethereum since 2,400 sa futures. No? So, nag-hold lang tayo doon. So, malaki na yun. Malaki na yun. So, nag-breakout na siya. Nag-correct doon. No? Ito nag-correct dito. O, nakita mo yan. Nag-correct dito. Nauntog. Kasi nga, 618 yun. 0.618 na yun. No? Tapos, bumasag na dito. Nauntog kasi 618 to. Nauntog dyan, nag-correct dyan. So, sinubukan niya i-retest. Nanalo. Nang nagkaroon ng correction, nagkaroon ng retest, nanalo. Bumasag pataas. No? It's actually like this. So, ang gagawin mo dito ganito. What you need to do is this one. Kailangan mo ito lagyan ng support line like this. No? Kailangan mo ilagay yung support line na yan. Tapos, of course, ang first key level support area mo is this support area. This is your first key level support area, this one. Your next one key level support area is this one. Your 2,835. That is your second level key support area. And then, ang iyong third level support area is going to be, give me a second. Uptrend, let's go now to a downtrend. Okay, your key level support area is going to be 2560.33. Sulat mo yan ha. So we'll write it down. First level key support area is your red support line. So this is around 3,055. Your second level is your KSA or key support area is going to be 2835.62. Your third level, which is your KSA, which is your 0.618, is 2560.33. Okay, write it down. So pag nabasag, pag bumaba to, okay, this can sasaluhin niya ni 2835. Pag hindi kinayang saluhin ni 2835, baka saluhin ni 2560. And then, dyan magbabounce, aakyat pataas. Aakyat pataas. Okay? Alright, so that wraps up our discussion for today. Again, our topic is, ano yung mga key support level areas na kailangan mo i-consider just in case you see a retracement today. Pero tatandaan mo, sabi ko nga, look at the farm, not at the lot. No? Kasi sa 1 day po, ito ay still very, very bullish. No? On 1 day, it's still very bullish as a chart. Even on BTC, it's still very, very bullish. So, kailangan mong gawin, look at the big picture. So, you don't overtrade. You don't overtrade. Okay? So let me just quickly go on with some of our questions here. Give me a second. Okay. John Carlo, umangat man bumaba, nakastake yung ETH. Very good, John. All right. Inside anything, one. Daniel, thank you. Thank you then, Daniel. Patrick, okay, thank you. Brit Castro, thank you. John Michael Valencia, ETH holder. Naka-TP na yung spot ko dyan. Oh, thank you, Daniel. Oh, good job ang mga moderation. Kita ko yung mga chatroom nyo. Very good. Ang gagaling, ha? Very good. Alright. Glenn Mark Salvidar. Gandang double bottom niya. Very good, Vin. Good job. Exactly. Tama ka. Alright. Ask daw si Rudy Baldwin. Sino yun? Shama Erlene Pamposa. Yan. O Richard. Oy, Richard Manoy, kamusta? Kamusta? Ruel, kamusta? Joe Mark, thank you. Carl Bell, Albania. Jessica Villanueva. Juan Miguel. Hey, Juan, kamusta? Kamusta? Estudyante ko yan. Joe Mark, Irene, Christian Advincula, Jessica Villanueva. Oy, thank you, Jessica, for the super chat. Thank you, thank you. Irene Paz, thank you. Kryptong Talong, thank you. Joe Mark Lipio, June Bandol. Oy, kamusta? Mic test. Di na ako nag-mic test, ha? Hindi na ako nag-mic test. Alam mo na yun, di ba? Dime, kamusta? Lista din daw. Very good. Sige. Okay, Dime, see you soon sa mga one-on-ones or sa mga classes natin, okay? Nolet, kamusta ka na? Alan, LJ Foro, EJ Oledan, my HNFTB, thank you. Swat, oy, sweet, kamusta? Swatat M, hello. Rafael, DMG Piso Wi-Fi Solution, oy, welcome ulit sa'yo, ha. Dana Erin Asuncion, Ram Chang, Michael Ricalde, Edward Ricalde, Ismael Kaka, Ding Dong Almario, Jazeri Zayas, Beben De Luna, Georgina Espanyol, Jeffy Abenasa, John Earl Alquisa, Jerome Diag, John Michael Agbon, Mark Reyes, Trail Rider, Elgin Balilo, John Carlo, Christopher Merelos, uy, suki natin to. Deng Medina, loading. Sino kaya tong loading na to? Michael Aaron Tabanera, Kiko, oy, Kiko Paulo, kamusta? Jonathan Morga, Lediar, Bernadette Cruz. Oh, we discussed ETH already, so I hope you learned something from it. Alan, kamusta Alan? Estudyante natin yan. Cherish, oy, si Luke dito. Hello. VA Soldano, Akshay Sudari. Okay, parang nagko-promote yata siya ng Inubis token. Ano kaya yun? Yung promote niya. Ano ba to? Filipino ba to? Alright. Nasunog ang 7K ni VA. Bakit? Ba't ka nasunog? Ano nangyari? Siguro napasok mo yung 4,300. Abangan mo na lang, angkat pa yan. So, Yael, oy, thank you. Yael Goma, thank you. Alan, Evander, oy, thank you, Evander. Thanks for being here. Trail Rider, John Michael Valencia, Robin Hood Earth, yan dami nyo. Brian Abrea, Vin. Yung mga tinanong ko na tinanong ko na mga number 1, mga profitable daw yan today. So, congratulations. Congratulations to all of you and I hope you learned something for today. Kelts D, kamusta? Shout out sa'yo. Christian Fabilar, nagabalak po ako mag-try sa crypto. Paas lang po kung magkano po kaya pwede ilabas na money for that crypto. Okay, Christian, mag-take, maybe the moderators can help me, no? Mag-take ka muna ng personality assessment quiz ko. You need to score 17. Pag nakascore ka ng 17 dun sa quiz na assessment, then that's become then you start training for cryptocurrency. Okay? Alright. Alan, shout out sa'yo. Clarice, thank you. Masugid natin taga-subaybayan sa Clarice from UAE. Dana Asuncion, hello. Rafael, thank you for this. Sobrang helpful nito. Sana maka-enroll ako sa University Elite. Oy, welcome din to. Reyes Arnaldo, Coach, thank you. Maraming salamat. Edward Maghirang, Ezar Malvarosa, Roland. Oy, Roland R, kamusta ka na? Chat mo nga ako. Kwento ko ng mga kinita mo ulit. Christopher Merelos, Coach, hello. Uy, since April, sabi ko ni. Uy, Christopher, maraming salamat sa'yo. Since day 1, nandito ka. Salamat. Makatulog na doon mahimbing. Asher, thank you. Uy, John Carlo, highest win today. When po ang last enrollment for August? Hanggang 3 days before August 21. Pwede pa. Joseph, shout out sa'yo. Makinig ka lagi dito ha. Joseph, asahan ko yan ha. Renier Venturin, asahan ko din. Coach, oy, SLP, nagko-consolidate si SLP. Huwag kayong be patient with SLP ha. Be patient with SLP. Huwag kayong mag-worry, huwag kayong mag-FUD kay SLP. No? The fact that your Axie is still a profitable game. In fact, Axie actually is still within the above 40s. No? So, I'm not necessarily worried of the SLP trend as of today. Alright, ayan. See? Teka lang. Alan Ox, thank you. Bryle, thank you. John Michael Agbon, thank you. Daniel One Night Stand, hello. Daniel Peñalosa, thank you. Karen Portugal, hello. Okay. Thank you. Alright. Pa-shoutout daw sa asawa niya. MK daw ang name. Oy, yung asawa ni Carl, yung nag-iisang asawa ni Carl Gonzalo. Yung nag-iisang asawa lang na mahal daw ni Carl Gonzalo. Shout out daw sa'yo. MK daw yung name. Yan. Daming nanonood daw, sabi ni Joe Mark. Hello, hello. Okay, kasi syempre Saturday night lang, batian section tayo ngayon, no? Official D, hello, hello. Sana yung nag-likes maging bullish din ang support the channel. Oy, thank you, Alan. Thank you. Alright, hi Karen, can you message me po from Team UAE? Yun. Uy, merong special message si Nico, moderator natin yan. Alright, very, very good. Okay, let's now go with... okay, teka lang. Ang dami ko moderators. Sila Brian, sila Nico, thank you. Daniel, nandito din, no? Very, very good. Alright. Grabe, Coach, hindi ko pa natatapos lahat ng videos na nasa kalahati pa lang ako. Grabe, ang dami ko natututunan. God bless. Oy, salamat din. Salamat din. Thank you, thank you. Shot na daw. Wash shout out, Coach. John Kyle Siguritan. Pa-shout out kay Galamax, Coach, na mahimbing na nagre-review. Oy, shout out kay... Oy, Galamax, pag hindi mo pinasayang review na yan, ha? Ano bang kailangan mo? Kailangan mo ng 1 week supply of milk? O kaya ng ang tawag doon, memory plus enhancer ba 'yon? Para pampaano 'yon. Alright, John Kyle Siguritan, hello, hello. Jeffrey Lu Camiro, hello sa iyo, no? Alright, oy Edelito, nakita ko yung email mo. Sige, noted yan, no? James Cabral. So guys, if you have any questions or emails about me, email me at Coach MirandaMiner at MirandaMiner Global, globalmirandaminer.com. Yan ang ating email address. So, email nyo ako dyan ako matatagpuan yan. Yan, no? Coach MirandaMiner at globalmirandaminer.com. Email nyo ako dyan for anything, queries, whatsoever, no? Babatiin ko na din teka lang, pasalamatan ko muna to, no? I'd like to say thank you to Loren, napakaganda ng message mo sa akin, no? Maraming salamat. Hindi ko nasabihin yung last name mo, pero grabe, nakaka-impress ka. Sabi niya sa akin sa message niya, "Hi Coach, sabi niya sa akin ganito, guys, no? "Hi Coach, your system doesn't just work." So sabi ko, "Oh, okay. Bakit?" Sabi niya, "Actually, your system hindi lang siya nagwo-work, it is the market itself," sabi niya. "Your system is like the market," sabi niya. "Thank you so much, Coach. You are changing a lot of traders' life right now. Every time I trade, I will always carry your legacy. I will try to help others who started like me. Thank you very much, Coach. You are heaven sent." #malasakit. Grabe, guys. Salamat, salamat. Congratulations sa inyo, ha. Congratulations. Tapos, legit yung nag-reach out sa'yo. Nabasa ko yung chat mo, legit yun. Sige, kausapin mo siya. I look forward having you. Yes, no? We look forward having you, and thank you sa napakaganda mong message. Naku, nakakataba naman ng puso itong ganito. Guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat kasi dahil sa mga everyday nyo mga ganito, lumalakas ang loob ni Coach lalo para magpatuloy po tayo at patuloy tayong magsilbi sa ating community and change one trader life at a time. Okay? Okay. So, last batch of greeting tayo, no? Let's see. Okay, last batch of greeting. Lorena, thank you, sir. I learned a lot so much. Oh, welcome, Lorena, sa our page natin, no? Rina, good evening sa'yo. Thank you, Alan Ox. Yari ka, President Galamax. Need mo mapasayan. Tama. Kaya pala naging bot na sa Discord si Galamax. O, reminder na yan, magiging bot na siya dyan. Alright, John Michael Agbon. Coach, kamusta na yung Axis Scholar? Oy, guys, reminder lang, we're still, no? Actually, I spoke with the investors. I've spoken with them and more information to come. So, more information to come. Patient lang tayo. Let's stay patient, no? And I want to make sure that all of our right steps are done. But I'm telling you guys, ang dami pong napakagandang news na paparating, no? I will mention it on the right time. At pag narinig nyo lahat ng good news natin, ma-overwhelm kayo. Sobrang dami. We're kasi really growing as a family. We're growing as a family already. We're growing as a family. We are able to get our first employee sa Global MirandaMiner Group. And we're going to further expand our family. So just watch out lang kayo, guys, for more announcements, okay? Alright. Good PM, Coach, watching from Taiwan. Oy, Raymond, kamusta dyan? Magandang gabi sa'yo dyan, no? J. Kyle Segurita, nasa intermediate na po ako sa vids mo, Coach. Oy, thank you. Richard Papa, nice, Coach. For the record, pinakamahabang shoutout mo po for tonight. Oo nga, ang dami kong shoutout kasi wala akong guest tonight, eh. Oy, guys, next week, next week, antabayanan nyo to. Itong very special guest natin. No, pantabayanan nyo yan. Meron tayong special guest next week. This one, Si Chiliu. Tapos, meron pa tayong isang very special guest, no? Tinatapos ko lang yung artwork on August 28. Guys, on August 28 is our very special guest. At iraraffle na po natin, guys, nabili na po, available na po yung Samsung tablet A7 Lite. Antabayanan mo yan, nabili na namin, ready for raffle na. Ready for raffle. So sana manalo ka. Sana hindi ka na mag-trade sa phone mo, diyan ka na mag-trade sa tab. Alam mo, pag napanalunan mo yan, magiging profitable ka. Kiniklaim ko na. Pag napanalunan mo yan, mag-trade ka dyan, binibless ko na. Binibless ko na yung tab na yan. Binibless ko na yun, no? Okay. So, sali ka dyan. Tapos, you could also actually win a Samsung Realme C25, no? And a third prize of 3,000 pesos MirandaMiner shirt and mug. So, third prize and of course, 5 consolation prizes. Alright? Oy, thank you, Yael. Good job, ah. Naku, napakalalaki ng profit ng mga batang to. Yung mga moderators natin, sobra. So, congratulations. Ay, salamat dyan sa super chat na yun. I appreciate that, Yael. Okay? Thank you, sir. Alright. Antayin nyo yung raffle natin, guys, ha. So, make sure, no, that sumali kayo sa ating raffle. And I think that's it for tonight, no? Ang dami nating sinabi. Paano sumali sa raffle? Nako, yung ating mga moderators, yan, they will tell you kung paano. Simple lang, subscribe to my channel lang. Pero may official link tayo. Of course, would like also to thank Bing Bon for sponsoring our 5 days worth, no? Our 5 days worth of raffle. Thank you so much, Bing Bon, for your support. Let's all support Bing Bon, guys. Let's try to download. No, not because for the bonus, but because of their many platform innovations, including our virtual trades. No, and of course, who knows? I'm gonna be doing a trade in Bing Bon, and you can actually copy my trade. So just watch out for that. But try to download Bing Bon. Meron po silang virtual copy trades, unlike Binance. All right. Okay. What else? Neutrons. Coach, pa-shoutout naman po sa podcast ko. Coffee na lang, Dear Podcasts. Jeff of... sige nga. Neutron, sige, mag-partner nga tayo dyan, no? Pa-shoutout naman daw sa podcasts niya. Coffee na lang, Dear Podcasts. Jeff of Batch 7. Kamusta? Shoutout sa podcast mo, ha? Good luck sa Coffee na lang, Dear Podcast. Yan, very good. Alright. Okay, guys, yun na lang po for tonight. It's already 11:07 and I'd like to say thank you to all of you. Yael, maraming salamat ulit. Thank you and God bless your good heart. And of course, kay Jessica, maraming salamat sa ating mga super chatters. And of course, guys, tatandaan nyo palagi that the market is always there. You don't need to rush, no? Huwag ka ma-FOMO. Maraming salamat sa mga natuto sa ating system and I'm always very proud of all of you. But guys, again, maraming winners. Maraming winners ang bull, ha? Maraming winners ang bull. What can measure you is when you're also profitable during the bear. So, how can you prepare for that? Sanay ka na dyan. Ilang araw ba naman tayo nagtuturoan ng bear market dito? Ilang araw tayo nagtuturoan ng bear market statistics and planning? So, dapat i-apply mo yan ngayon, you know? I-apply mo yan and make sure that you become really profitable. Bawiin mo lahat ng talo mo during the bear market. But, do not get greedy. Huwag maging greedy, no? Huwag kang pasok ng pasok. Plan for your profitable setups. And I'm sure that you will be really profitable. Alright guys, with that said, I love you 3,000. Magandang gabi sa'yo. Tomorrow, abangan mo ang ating Axie TV. Meron tayong live game ng Axie tomorrow. Care of Manager Angel and Nico, our Sunday night live Axie. With that said, guys, I love you so much. Take a good rest and have a very pleasant Saturday.